Okay children, experiment number 1 of spotting, right? This part is there for spotting, means you have to observe the demonstration and then you will have to write your observation and your conclusion. So the aim is to study the rate of transpiration with the help of leaves, right? So for that we need following requirements. First we need the leaves, right? All the leaves are of similar size, right? Approximately they are of similar size. We'll need petroleum jelly or grease in this particular place. We need a string or thread, and we need stands, right? So I have two stands here. I have already attached or already tied a string or the thread on it, and now I have a stand with the threads on or the thread tied to it. Now let us see what we have to do with the leaves. Now children, what we are going to do is, one leaf we are going to hang as it is. Correct? The first leaf I am having, right? I am hanging it without applying anything on it. Let us talk about the second leaf. Right, on the second leaf I am going to use the petroleum jelly. I am going to cover the upper surface of the leaf by the petroleum jelly. I am going to spread the petroleum jelly so as to cover each and every corner of the leaf. With the application of petroleum jelly, I will make sure that the stomatas on the upper surface of the leaves are blocked. Blocking the stomatas or closing the stomatas with the help of application of petroleum jelly. And then I am going to hang it on number 2 place with a little bit distance. Sorry, just let me hang it properly. So I have the second leaf hung up and it is covered with the petroleum jelly on the upper surface. Right? Now I take the third leaf. This is the upper surface of the leaf and this is the lower surface of the leaf. This time I am going to apply petroleum jelly on the lower surface of the leaf, covering all the stomatas. So I am going to spread the petroleum jelly on this particular leaf, blocking the stomatas on the lower surface of the leaf, whereas the stomatas on the upper surface of the leaf will still transpire. Transpiration will take place only from the upper surface of the leaf. The lower surface of the leaf is having stomatas which have been blocked with the help of petroleum jelly, which is evenly spread on the lower surface of the leaf. So I am going to hang this third leaf over here with keeping a little bit distance in between the leaves. So I have hung the third leaf. I am going to use the fourth leaf, and this leaf will be covered with petroleum jelly on both these surfaces. I am going to cover both the surface of the leaf with the petroleum jelly. So you must be knowing why we use petroleum jelly. Most probably we use the petroleum jelly in winter season, isn't it? What do we use it for? What do we use the petroleum jelly for? To keep the moisture of our skin, or the skin remains moist for a longer duration of time in winter season. Means it will not allow the water from your skin to get evaporated. That is the reason why we use petroleum jelly when we apply it on our skin during the winter season. It will keep your skin soft, moist. The same thing we are going to do here is we have covered the leaf, both the surface of the leaf with petroleum jelly. Okay, I am hanging the fourth leaf here, and now I have to keep this leaf for observations for at least 2 to 3 days. Right? We will be able to see the results in the coming 2 to 3 days. So what we are going to study here is we are going to see how the leaves will dry. What is the pattern in which the leaves will dry, right? Where are the ample number of stomatas on the leaf? The leaves are having stomatas. Which surface of the leaf is having more number of stomatas? And how stomatas help in the process of transpiration?
Students, we are studying the rate of transpiration in the leaves, and you can see the 4 leaves that have been hung. They are applied with Vaseline on different surfaces. So as you see the first leaf from the right, we had applied Vaseline on both the surfaces, so the leaf transpiration is taken place in a less amount and the leaf appears healthy. The second leaf applied with the Vaseline on the lower surface, again the rate of transpiration is checked here, and so the leaf appears to be quite healthy. The third leaf applied Vaseline on the upper surface. The lower surface is leading to lot of transpiration, and so it has dried up. Whereas the fourth leaf has dried up completely as the Vaseline was not applied. And this is how we study the rate of transpiration in leaves, covering the stomatas to check the rate of transpiration.